Hello, Tech Buddies. Welcome to day 9 of our 21-day Webflow Daily Challenge. And right now, we are going to be creating a contact us section for our page. So, we're creating a contact us section for this page, which is going to be unique. So, let's dive in deeper, which come to page and create new page. So, I'm going to create new page. So, let's name this contact, create. So in this contact page, so right now, let me go to the body and change the background color to black, color white, color of text here should be white, background color black. So right now, what I'm going to be having is section, Control E. So I'm going to be having a section. So in this section, let's have a class of section, which you've always been adding. Then in section, Control E, we are going to be having container. And let's give it a class of the container, which we are going to be adding. Yeah. So in this container, this is what we are building here. We are going to be having an heading. So Control E, and I'm going to be having an heading here. So in this heading, let's have I would like to hear from you, which is quite cool. I think this is all that we have here. Then what I'm going to be adding right now are components. So the first component which I'm going to be adding is the navbar, which is going to be above this section. Let me add that again. Components. Place in the navbar. Oh, that was a mistake. I made a mistake. I'm choosing another thing. Navigations. Navigation. Yep. So it has been added, which you can see. The next thing which I'm going to be adding right now is the form, which we created already. Push the form below this. Yeah, the form is below. Then the footer below form. I think this should be outside, including the form outside. I need to see outside, outside. I want to close this to ensure that we did it the right way. So yeah, you can see that it's outside. So let's check it on tab. Quite cool. Let's check it on quite cool, and let's check it on smaller device. So on smaller device right now, I think let's reduce the width. Let's reduce this width. Um, okay. What we are going to do is to reduce the font size. Let's reduce the font size. Yeah, to 25. Oh, that was a mistake. Yeah, 25 is quite cool. Or 20. 20 is quite cool. Let's reduce the margin below, which is quite far from okay. It's quite far from, so let's make it 0. think the font size got increased again to 20. Okay, the heading, don't know why it's not changing. So let me give it a class. Contact heading and make changes. I think once I make changes like that, it's going to reflect. So 20, yeah, it's cool. 0, yeah. So I've added a class there. Let's also make changes here. So I'm going to make changes to this and give it a class of heading 2. Yeah, heading 2. Let's make it 22. Yeah. So this is quite cool, making sense. So form instance here, should I reduce the padding? No, it's quite cool. It's okay. It's okay. So this is how it looks like, which is quite cool. So this is what we did for day 9, sorry, day 9. So at day 10, we are going to be working on capture. So we'll be adding capture to the form. So make sure you like and subscribe and give it a thumbs up, and make sure you share for people who will be willing to watch this video. Thank you.